Can you really make money playing games on your phone? Or is Testerup just another app wasting your time? Today we're breaking down real reviews, real payouts, and real experiences to answer one question. Is Testerup worth it, or should you skip it? Let's find out. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to The Modest Wallet, where we help you be modest with your wallet, but ambitious with your goals. Today we're diving into Testerup, one of the most talked about get paid to play games apps right now. Now, we analyzed multiple trusted reviews, tested user experiences, and looked at both the positives and the complaints. So by the end of this video, you'll know how Testerup actually works, how much you can realistically make, the biggest red flags, and whether it's worth your time. And I will mention we do have a link in the description of this video to sign up to test out the platform yourself. I've also included a QR code that you can scan right here if you're watching it from a TV or a computer screen. I'll randomly put that on the screen throughout the video and definitely at the end of the video for your convenience should you want to check it out. All right, so what is Testerup? Testerup is what's called a GPT app, a get paid to platform. It connects users with companies that want feedback on mobile games, apps, surveys, and products. So you do have to agree to them tracking you and what you might be doing on your phone. So I know that might be a concern for some people. Now, in exchange, you earn money for completing tasks like downloading a game, reaching certain levels, and playing for a certain amount of time in that game. Now, they launched around 2022 and is operated by a German company called, actually, I'll just put it up on the screen because it is a little challenging to try to read. And on the surface, it sounds like easy money. Here's how the process actually works. First, you sign up. It is free. You choose an offer, usually a mobile game, as we said. You complete milestones inside that game. You earn money for each step. Pretty simple. Now, here's something important. The money is not earned all at once. Instead, each game has a checklist, and you get paid in small increments as you go. For example, reach level 5, a small payout. Reach level 20, a little bigger payout. Reach level 100, probably the highest payout. But, and this is a big but, the higher payouts often require a lot of time or spending money inside the game. That's where things start to really get interesting. So how much can you make? You'll see ads claiming you can make $100, $200, even more. And technically those numbers are possible, but here's the reality. Most reviewers agree the easy tasks pay pennies, like 10 cents to 50 cents. The big payouts take serious time or purchases even. One review even confirmed it took real effort just to reach the $55 payout minimum. So the honest answer is you can make money, but it's not fast. And it's definitely not easy money. They do have a referral program, so you can easily send your friends a link to Testerup, and when they sign up and install their first game, you earn $2.50. Not bad. Then when your friend makes their first payout, you get an additional $5 for inviting them. That's the part that may be a struggle because for someone to actually get to their first payout, they would have to reach that $55 amount, and a lot of people by that time just give up. So back to that $55 problem, and this is one of the biggest complaints across every review that we saw. Testerup has a high minimum payout, typically around $55. And actually up until about recently, it used to be $70. Now, if you compare that to other similar apps, many let you cash out at, $1 or $5. So with Testerup, you're forced to keep grinding, keep playing, keep investing that time. And that's all before you ever see a single dollar. And that's where many people just quit. All right, let's answer the big question, the question that many people ask, is Testerup legit? Across all of our sources and even our own, as we did download the app and complete some games and things, yes, it is legit. Yes, it does pay. Multiple reviewers confirmed successful PayPal payouts. Even independent reviews say it's not a scam, but not necessarily worth it. So let's be clear, this is not a fake app. It does pay users, but legit does not mean good. So keep that in mind. Some of the biggest complaints that we found, first, that it takes too long. You're trading hours of gameplay for small rewards. Secondly, the high cash out barrier. You might never even reach the $55 threshold. Third, the tracking issues. Some users report tasks not registering correctly. Fourth are the in-app purchases. Many high-paying tasks require spending money. And fifth are the mixed user reviews. While it has around a 4.0 rating overall, complaints include delayed payouts, account issues, support problems. So definitely some things to think about. As far as some other feedback we have reviewed, some users say they've cashed out multiple times. Others say they never got paid after completing tasks. So that inconsistency is something you have to be aware of. Now, to be fair, there are some positives. First, it is free to use. There's legit payouts. There's high potential earnings if you stick with it. There's a wide variety of games, and it is easy to get started. If you already enjoy mobile games on your phone, this could be a way to monetize your time. All right, now we went over the pros. Let's go over the cons, because here's the reality check. First, it's very time consuming. There's a high payout threshold. Some tasks require spending money. Tracking issues are a problem, and it's not reliable income. And this is the key takeaway: your time is often worth more elsewhere. That's just what we found. Now, let me briefly take you inside the app so you can see what it looks like yourself. All right, we are now entering the app Testerup. Once again, just giving you a look inside, and we're on the Discover tab. We have 3 tabs down below: Discover, My Tasks, and Wallet. Pretty simple here. Also, at the top right is the profile area. Obviously, I have not added my face, but you would be able to go into your accounts and check that. We did mention the invite your friends. Once again, you can invite your friends, and you're able to, like we said, earn that $7.50, the $2.50 initially, and then the extra $5 when your friend makes their first payout. Back into the main part of the app. In the Discover section, you can find all of the games that they would like you to play, and with each game, does is list the play and earn and how much you could play and earn. As we said in our review, that number looks great, and it could be great, but a lot of the options to get to that point make you purchase something in the app, maybe a key way to get to the next level or whatever it might be. So that definitely is something that could be a barrier for you as you are playing, but I'll just kind of float through some of the opportunities and games that you can play. As I have said, I did download a game and I did play the game for about an hour or so, and I'll talk about that here in a second. Let me just go through the rest of the app. Secondly, I'm going to go to My Tasks, and in this section, it shows you what you can do or what I've done so far. So I downloaded the game Travel Town, and I earned 20 cents out of $311.60. Now, the game was a little confusing to me, so maybe in my hour of time, I could have done better and earned more money, but I was a little confused as I was playing. So definitely have to factor that in when you are playing. You can see that I have the $5 because I did get my $5 bonus just for signing up. So that's why so far I've earned $5.20. Obviously, I have another $50 to earn in order to be able to cash out. This is the game that I downloaded, Travel Town. I'll just kind of show you some of the things. You get those bonuses if you earn high in a short time. Just go through all the different ways that you can earn extra cents. Obviously, you get to level 5, you get 30 cents, and so on. Complete all those levels, you get the extra money. And then I could go to play game, but I'm not going to do that right now. But that's basically what that kind of looks like. It's a nice little recap for how you can earn money within the game. If I go to my wallet, all this is going to do is just show me that my balance is $5.20, and it's going to show once again to reach that $55. That's how much you're going to have to earn in order to be able to request a payout. And then down the transactions, you can see the welcome bonus of $5 and the 20 cents that I earned playing Travel Town so far. That's pretty much what it looks like here inside of the app. It's pretty basic. You can see there is some opportunity, and if you're a gamer, this may be for you. I'm not very good at games. I can get suckered into playing some of these games for a while, so might as well get a chance to earn money while you do it. But that is essentially how it looks inside the app. So is Testerup worth it? Here's my honest take. If you want to casually earn a little extra while gaming, it's fine. If you're trying to actually make money, this is not the best use of your time. Testerup is legit. It might not be super efficient, and that's the difference. Now I'll throw up the QR code one more time to scan to easily check out Testerup for yourself. And once again, I do have that link in the description to sign up as well. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest financial app reviews. And if you want smarter ways to actually grow your money, not just grind for pennies, check out some of our other video reviews as well as some of the links below in the description. As always, be modest with your wallet, but ambitious with your goals, and I will see you in the next video.